Hello, class 9th students. Greetings of the day. Today is the very first lecture of our online classes of Blooming Birds Covered School. Today I am going to tell you about the 25% deduction or deducted portion of our syllabus. So here I am very pleased to inform you that uh, just because of COVID-19 pandemic, ICSE has decided to reduce the syllabus for year 2020 and 21 by 25%. So in our history portion, which topics have been removed that we are going to study, that we are going to discuss today. So the first thing is about chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 is the Harappan civilization. In the Harappan civilization, the topic origin, extent, trade, art and craft. These topics have been removed. I repeat again, in chapter number 1, which is the Harappan civilization, topic origin, you can see here, if it is visible to you, just give me a moment. You can see here, sources, Great Bath, Citadel, Seals, Bearded Man, Dancing Girls, Stockyard script, these are included, whereas origin, extent, trade and art, these topics which have been underlined, these topics have been removed. Okay, so you can mark these things in your books too. Okay, then second chapter is the Vedic period. In the Vedic period, topic iron artifacts and pottery. These are the sources. Iron artifacts and pottery sources have been removed. Okay, and rest entire chapter is as it was. Okay, now then chapter number 3. In chapter number 3, which portion has been removed? In chapter 3, sources, all the sources, Angas, Tripitikas and Jatkas have been removed. Okay, these topics are no more in our syllabus for year 2020 and 21 for class 9th. Now, in chapter number 4 was about Mauryan Empire. In the Mauryan Empire, political history of Mauryan Empire has been removed. Political history has been removed. Okay. Then in chapter number 5, in chapter number 5 is the Sangam age. In Sangam age, there are sources, Tirukkurul and megaliths, right? Tirukul is there in the syllabus as it was, but megaliths have been removed. And a brief study of society and economy has also been removed. So you can say chapter number 5 is removed entirely except its one source, which is Tirukkural. We will study only about Tirukkural and rest entire chapter has been removed. Now chapter number 6. In chapter number 6, political, chapter number 6 is about the age of Guptas. In the age of Guptas, chapter number 6, political history and administration of Samudragupta and Chandragupta Vikramaditya has been removed. Political history and administration of Samudragupta and Chandragupta Vikramaditya has been removed. Then in chapter number 7a, which is about Cholas. In this chapter, political history of Cholas have been removed. I repeat, political history of Cholas have been removed. Now in chapter number 8, Chapter number 8 is Delhi Sultanate. Delhi Sultanate. In this, sources like inscriptions. There were two sources of knowing about Delhi Sultanate. First was inscription, second was Qutub Minar. So Qutub Minar is as it was, but inscriptions have been removed. Inscriptions have been removed, and political history and administration of Kutubuddin Aibak has been removed. In this chapter, you will study about political history and administration of Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad bin Tughlaq. And earlier, you were supposed to study about political history and administration of Kutubuddin Aibak too. But because of COVID-19 pandemic, schools remained closed. So that is why ICSC has decided to reduce the syllabus. So they have removed inscriptions and political history and administration of Kutubuddin Aibak. Now, next is chapter number 9. In chapter number 9, you people are supposed to chapter number 9 is Mughal Empire, and in this, political history and administration of Babur and Aurangzeb has been removed. Right? Political history and administration of Babur and Aurangzeb has been removed. Then next is chapter number 11. In chapter number 11, in chapter number 10, after 9, chapter number 10 is there. In chapter number 10, nothing has been removed. It is same as it was. Then after that, chapter number 11, which is the modern age in Europe, Renaissance. In this chapter, capture of Constantinople, decline of feudalism, and spirit of inquiry. These topics have been removed. I repeat that when you will study Renaissance, in this you will have to study about the definition and about the causes. In causes, so many causes were given, like capture of Constantinople, decline of feudalism, new trade routes, spirit of inquiry, and invention of printing press. But here, so many causes like capture of Constantinople, decline of feudalism, and spirit of inquiry. These three causes has been removed. Right? You are supposed to study only two causes, which are new trade routes and invention of printing press. Then after that, in chapter number 12 and 13, in chapter number 12 and 13, you have to just understand the concept of reformation and counter reformation. In this, causes like dissatisfaction with the practices of Catholic Church, this also you have to study, right? But basically, you have to focus on meanings of reformation and counter reformation. Rest entire chapter has been removed. Okay, and you have to also study dissatisfaction with the practices of Catholic Church. Then chapter number 13. In chapter number 13, you are going to study about industrial revolution, definition of industrial revolution, and you will not study causes of the industrial revolution. And then you have to study about the definition of capitalism, meaning of capitalism, and you will not study causes for the rise of capitalism. Likewise, you have to study the definition and meaning of socialism, but you will not study causes for the rise of socialism. So only meaning and definitions are required to be learned in chapter number 12 and 13. So this was all about the 25% reduction in history syllabus, or it was the 25% directed portion of history syllabus. I hope you would have understood everything here. Now you can take a screenshot of this board. Thank you.